Can you hear me? Today, I have come up with a very exciting surprise. So, are you ready for that? So, let's do it. Nowadays, people are aware of learning skills like communication skills, financing, budgeting, a lot of things, and many more. But English speaking is one of the skills that is needed nowadays in a lot of fields, in every field, I can say. So, from this, I would like to start something. So, hi everyone, this is Rachita, and today I have come up with a very good, very exciting surprise. And I am super excited to share with you and where I was before this, since I was working on the mm, 30 days speaking skills challenge, and I hope that made your days and that made your 30 days very productive while speaking English. And I hope you have learned a lot of things and now you are able to speak it properly. If it is not proper, if it is not proper English, definitely from that challenge you have improved a lot, I think. So today I have come up with a surprise that I'm going to reveal now. That is 7 days challenge. So now you will ask me, why did you, or why do you take only challenges videos? I think you people were thinking about these things. So thank you so much for addressing that thing. Challenges, do you know about what is really a challenge? Challenge is something in which you can really give the dedicated time, your dedicated time, and you are the person who can take the challenges very carefully, and you have the capacity to fulfill that challenge. So definitely I just love challenges and my life is full of challenges. So I love challenging videos, challenges. And nowadays 100 days challenges, sorry, 100 days uploading videos are going on. So support in that as well, because I need support a lot, because I want mic, a good light and a lot of things. So for that I have to earn money, and I don't want to take these things, these content creation things from my dad's money, definitely not. From my parents money, definitely not. I will take everything from my money only, because I think a person should be hardworking, and if he or she is working hard in any field, I think she will be able to take everything in some time. So I will give these things a time, definitely. So today's topic is all about which kind of challenge I'm taking. I'm taking 7 days challenge, in which we will learn a lot of things. Like we will learn idioms, phrasal verbs, different kinds of vocabulary. You will learn a lot of things, and I will also learn a lot of things. I have nothing here right now, nothing. I've not actually. I am working on scripting as well, but today I have not scripted anything. This video is not scripted at all. But yes, definitely, English is one of my favorite things to do in my life, and English is my passion for sure. So definitely, I just want to improve a lot. And nowadays, college chaos is going on, so I cannot do anything in that. And I know I am irregular in long form videos. Definitely, I know in some time I will be not able to upload videos daily, but definitely I'll be consistent. I'll be regular in that. For that, I am saying to you, so sorry for that. So definitely, and college is something which you have to take it nowadays. And obviously I'm searching for my college, obviously. And what to say, yeah, I got my merit list, but today I got a bad news as well, that in first round I've not qualified it. I think in second round I'll get it for sure. I'm just praying, I'm just manifesting it. I'm just very positive in my mind that yeah, my category rank will come, because that is very necessary, because I want to move out from this place. I just want to be a good independent woman, definitely in future, so that I can fulfill all the dreams of mine, of my parents, my brother, everything I want, everything in life. My parents have sacrificed a lot, so for that, definitely, things will be in my favor, absolutely, because it is very necessary. And this thing I will definitely be sure that this thing will be in my favor, because I will work hard in this. So yeah, definitely. So yeah, so today I have only come here to tell you people about this challenge, 7 days challenge, and I have done a lot of yapping. So yeah, it's totally all right. So 7 days challenge will be starting from tomorrow, definitely. And if 1 or 2 days will be not in my favor, it will be not my fault, because I really want to improve and I really want to upload videos daily. So yeah, so get ready for that. And I am super excited to share with you these things. And also I'm very excited to start this challenge because I love challenges and my life is full of challenges. So definitely. And we will also work on our accents. At the same time, we will learn another language like Punjabi or our local language or Marathi, everything. So if you want to do that, please work on it, because if you cannot present your country in the country's language, definitely you're not be. I think Hindi is one of the major language. Absolutely, I'm not uh, denying it. But I really want you, from you people, to learn something else from this language, from English, and from except from Indian English, because Hindi we all know, but what we don't know, we should definitely adapt it. So yeah, try and understand that how important is that, how important is that, definitely. So go for it, you guys. So yeah, so bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video gave you the information what I just wanted to be, what I just wanted to convey with you. So definitely subscribe to my channel, click bell icon for notifications, and follow this challenge very very carefully, because that is very much important. And I think I will be on Instagram as well, because I've already opened it. So guys, get ready for that, because in Instagram I'll also upload something else. So bye bye.